Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps necessary to import information from Excel into QuickBooks. First thing you'll need to do is when you open up your Excel file, convert it to a CSV file if it isn't one already. Typically, your Excel file is going to be an XLS or an XLSX file. What you'll need to do to convert it is go to File, Save As, and then in the drop-down menu, select .csv, comma-separated values. Then choose a place where you'd like it to be saved. I'm going to keep it in the folder that we're currently in. Click Save. And we'll save Active Sheet. Continue. Okay, so now our file is saved as a CSV file, and QuickBooks can read the information from it. What you'll need to do next is download the toolkit that'll allow the different programs to speak to each other. If you already have QuickBooks installed, you're halfway there. The next step to do is you can perform an internet search. Easiest way to do it is just type in Excel and QuickBooks Toolkit. And you can see the first option here is the toolkit that you'll need to download, and it's off of the QuickBooks website. It'll explain all the steps necessary to download the toolkit and get that started. What you should keep in mind is the information that you will be able to transfer is the customer, vendor, item, and chart of accounts. Different custom files, custom rows and things like that may not be able to be exported, at least not in an easy way. But this toolkit will help you get the most important information from Excel into QuickBooks. And that's how to transport it. My name is Justin Conway. Thanks.